Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how does it look like about this roof now that we just cleaned. As you can see, it's all white. Look like get a new roof on already, but we just clean it. Because you know it's all white, looks good. This time, there's my worker that is working on it, and here it is. Fabulous. I'll show you around the whole side of the roof. You can see on that side. Here it is. That side. So it's down here. And you guys, hope you guys like it. And please subscribe my videos. And I'll show you the around on these communities. Maybe like this. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and please subscribe and hit like in the bottom if you like it. If you don't like it, just thumbs down and give me a message and letting me know. You guys have a great day. Once again, this is Marlon, a Pro Commercial Window Cleaner. Thanks, bye bye.